Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome again to Practical Numerical Methods for Scientists and Engineers. We are still in Module 3, Roots of Single Equation. Today tutorial will be how to find roots of single equation using Excel, Solver and Goal-Seek. So Goal-Seek and Solver are two beneficial functions that can be used in Excel to perform iterations until reaching the solution. They are found in, of course, data ribbon of Excel. So just go for data ribbon of Excel, and you can find solver and goal seek. Okay, so what if analysis, and go for goal seek or for solver. Okay, so if you can't find solver, you can install it going for file, properties, then adds in, and then you can find the solver, add it, so it will be shown again in solver. Okay, so now how to use it. Okay, so for example, let's take example. We have this root and this equation, and we find its root. Okay, so first we will make like a cell x1, x2, x3, because I know we have three solutions. If you don't know, you can, if for example you want to find the two solutions maybe. Okay, so we put three initial guesses, any initial guesses you want. Okay, then find the f of x1, write the equation based on this x, f of x2 based on this x, f of x3 based on this x. Okay, so now you have different function. In order to have correct guess, this equation should be 0. So what's the solution, or what's the value of x that will bring this equation to 0, and will bring this equation to 0, and bring this one to x? So that's why we'll use iteration, Excel iteration, to manipulate these values until getting if x1 is 0, and manipulate if x2 until getting this one 0, and manipulate x3 until get f3 as 0. Okay, so what we will do, so once you select solver, so the first part is set objective. Where is my objective, or where is the objective you want Excel to do iteration in it? It will be x1. So will you choose it? Okay, choose this one. Okay, by changing sorry, I'm sorry. My objective is that will objective, that's the equation, so it will be this one by changing this cell. Okay, so you want to make this, which value I want to make it value 0. You can make it minimum, you can make it maximum, but I want it 0. Okay, by changing this value x1, and then make solve. So it will be, you can also change some option of the solver if you want, but we prefer using this method of solving. Okay, because it gives you the best solution. Okay, so make it solve. Okay, and then repeat the same for second one, for third one. Once we do this, we got 3x, we get 1.03, 1.83 and 3.34. okay, so these are our final solutions, and this is was. Thank you so much, and see you in next session.